Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 18th January. Let's start. In the year of 1778, on this day, James Cook became the first European to discover the Hawaiian Islands. In the year of 1896, on this day, the X-ray machine was first demonstrated. In the year of 1919, on this day, the British company Bentley Motors Limited, which makes luxury vehicles, was established. In the year of 1930, on this day, the great writer Rabindranath Tagore visited the Sabarmati ashram of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. In the year of 1951, on this day, the lie detector was first used in the Netherlands. In the year of 1955, on this day, Saadat Hasan Manto, the famous Urdu poet and writer, passed away. In the year of 1959, on this day, Miraben, an aide of the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi, left India. In the year of 1966, on this day, India's famous mathematician Badrinath Prasad passed away. In the year of 1972, on this day, cricket player Binod Kambli was born. In the year of 1978, on this day, Aparna Popat, India's best badminton player, was born. In the year of 1989, on this day, millions of people demonstrated in support of freedom, truth, and human rights in Czechoslovakia. In the year of 1991, on this day, Eastern Airlines was closed for financial reasons. In the year of 1995, on this day, the Yahoo.com domain was created. In the year of 2003, on this day, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, father of famous actor Amitabh Bachchan and famous Hindi language writer and poet, passed away. In the year of 2006, on this day, euthanasia was ratified by the Supreme Court in the United States. In the year of 2009, on this day, Bengal Cricket Association honored Sourav Ganguly with a gold bat. In the year of 2015, on this day, A.B. de Villiers scored the fastest century in ODI cricket history in 31 balls against West Indies. In the year of 2021, on this day, a specially developed bike ambulance Rakshita was launched by the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO and the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF. DRDO headquarters is situated in New Delhi. Establishment of DRDO in 1958. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Board of Directors of RBL Bank has approved the reappointment of Vishwaveer Ahuja as the Managing Director and CEO of the bank for a period of 3 years. RBL Bank Limited, incorporated in 1943 under the Indian Companies Act 1913. RBL Bank Limited headquarters is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. In the year of 2021, on this day in Ladakh, the Khelo India Janskar Winter Sport and Youth Festival 2021 was inaugurated. In the year of 2021, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was appointed as the new chairman of the trust managing the world-famous Somnath Temple in Prabhas Patan town of Gir Somnath district of Gujarat. He became the second PM to hold this post after Morarji Desai. In the year of 2021, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project Phase 2 and Surat Metro Rail Project. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.